Welcome back to Guga Food, guys. Today, the boiling buttery tenderloin from Salt Bae. We're gonna find out if this thing is good and let you know. Check it out. For today's cook, I'm gonna be using this beautiful tenderloin. And the first thing we need to do is sear it, so check it out. Now to make clarified butter, and here's how. Now heat up that butter to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. What do you think of this, Angel?
It looks interesting.
It looks interesting, huh?
It looks interesting. Yeah, that's the one thing I gotta say.
This is Salt Bae style. Let me see your style. That was Angel style. We're gonna do Guga style. There you go. Enough talking. We're gonna give you guys a fair review. We want to know if it's good or bad. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm always ready.
All right, let's go for it, Angel.
Cut one.
Look at the amount of butter.
It's actually insane.
I know you guys are gonna ask, oh, it's overcooked and stuff. It's not. Look at that. It's medium rare in the middle, good. If not rare. So, wow. I'm excited to try this one. Let's go. 1, 2. Wow.
He might have just did something right here.
I am pleasantly surprised. Huh?
Pretty good, but let me see your bread, bro.
Whoa.
Your bread skills, you made this?
If you guys are interested in making homemade bread, let me know, guys. Wow. Angel,
oh, that's a lot of butter.
How much butter is that, Angel?
A little bit too much butter right there.
Oh my God. Don't stick the bread in there, right, Angel? Check this out. Oh my God, check this out.
Jeez.
Look at that. Ooh,
too much. It's hot.
It's still hot.
That's not bad.
It's hot. I gotta give it up. I was a little skeptical because I was like, this butter is too hot. It's gonna boil the steak. It's gonna overcook the steak. The steak is not overcooked. It's extremely tender. Obviously, I'm using very, very high quality beef as well.
It's good. I like it. It's good.
It's good. I'm not gonna lie. It is good. That little dun dun dun, I don't know about that, but it actually tastes good. Now, the question is, will I pay for it in a restaurant? He charges a lot of money. I think he charges $225 for the plate like this. Would you pay that, Angel?
No.
And it's kind of cool for you to do it with your family with a little bit of show and stuff like that. I'm sure your family will love it, guys. Anyway, guys, I was curious to find out what the fuzz is all about. It is good. I gotta get it fed up. It is good. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe for future videos. And remember, if you're interested in anything I use, everything is on the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. You guys never believe me? I tell you, there's always people behind the camera. Well, there you go. You are in pajama, buddy.
Yes.
You're in pajama and you want to eat some steaks. Yeah. But this one has a lot of butter. All right.
This guy gets out of his bed because he smells it. He gets out of his bed and runs over here. And you guys can't see it, but there's a sliding door over here. And this guy is there like this.
He's ready. He's ready. That's because you're my son.
It's like he's looking into a candy shop, but it's just steak.
Dylan, try it. Let me know. Tell me the truth. Tell me if it's good, bad, or amazing.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Oh, it's okay.
You look like you don't like it too much.
No.
Tell them the truth.
It's bad.
It's bad?
It's really bad. It's really bad.
You know, you could have just said it's not my thing. You know?
No, we are honest and we tell you the truth. If you don't like, what, is that bad for you?
Yes.
I love it. Me and Angel, we like it, but my son didn't like it. So the only thing left to do is for you guys to give it a try and tell me if you like it. Thank you so much, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Take care, bye-bye. Me and Angel, we are gonna finish it. You want more?
Never again.
Never again?
Oh, wow.
You don't have to eat it, but if you don't, put it right there. You don't have to eat it. You don't like it, you tell the truth. See you guys on the next one. Bye.